Hello there, my name's John Greswell and I'm the Fleet Solutions Manager for Hartshorne's Volvo, and I'm going to take you through this fantastic Volvo Aero. So welcome to the new Volvo Aero. Fundamentally, what are the difference between this Aero and a standard FH? Basically, the designers have effectively managed to stretch this vehicle to its maximum length, increasing it by 25 centimetres. This is allowing more aerodynamic front, so it's got a bit of a curvature on it, which would allow the air to dispense over the top of the vehicle and round the side of the vehicle in a much more aerodynamic way. They've also lowered the Aero right down here, which again is aiding in helping the air disperse in a more smooth general direction underneath the vehicle and round the sides of the vehicle. Also with the Volvo Aero, you get the camera monitoring system, CMS. By doing away with the mirrors, there's another 1% saving in fuel that could be made. I'm now going to demonstrate to you what the buttons do on the camera monitoring system on CMS, so you know what each button does. The very left-hand button is your toggle line, where you can have your line either short or long for when you're reversing. The button next to that literally turns your toggle line on and off. Your night mode, so if you switch that on, it actually goes to infrared camera, so you can see everything that's happening outside the vehicle. And then you've got your heater. You have your CMS control unit. So you've effectively got your menu button here, which will take you into the menu on the screen and go into different settings. Again, you've got, this is your pan in and pan out button. It will enable you to have a wide view. And then you've got your left mirror and your right mirror to alter just the same as you would have done in your standard mirrored truck.